Most people get this wrong. They assume all finance apps only track expenses. Liberty Line Finance in 2026 proves that a modern app can do much more. It helps you grow your money, track spending, and stay organized with smart automation and insightful tools. Liberty Line lets you set multiple financial goals, such as debt repayment, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase. Its algorithms automatically allocate your money toward each goal based on income and spending habits. Even small, consistent contributions can grow over time thanks to compound interest. The app provides alerts for upcoming bills, subscriptions, or unusual spending. Its dashboard visualizes your financial progress, highlights potential savings opportunities, and helps you make smarter financial decisions. This makes managing money effortless, even if you've never budgeted before. Security is a priority. Liberty Line uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and continuous fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available via chat or email for any issues. The main limitation: Liberty Line focuses on savings and budgeting. If you are seeking advanced investment or trading tools, you'll need another platform. However, for anyone wanting a safe, automated, and modern way to manage money and grow savings, Liberty Line is an excellent choice. So, is Liberty Line Finance worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you want an automated, secure, and intelligent approach to saving and budgeting, Liberty Line delivers. Subscribe to stay updated on the best apps and tools to help you take control of your financial future.